Hello everyone, this is Dr. Suganya working as an associate professor in Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video we are going to see about the topic Introduction to Cryptography in the course Applied Cryptography. So today we are going to learn the subject Applied Cryptography, which plays a very important role in securing digital life such as mobile applications, online banking and websites too. So in this session we will understand what is cryptography is and why we need and its types, advantages and many real-time issues in the cryptography. So let us now see about what is cryptography. So cryptography, it is a science of protecting the informations, as we all know. So it converts the readable data into an unreadable format so that the unauthorized people cannot understand it. So only the intended receiver can read the message. For example, WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryptions. So only the sender and receiver can read the messages, not anybody else. Likewise, cryptography plays an important role in encryptions and decryption purposes. So in this slide we are going to see about why do we need cryptography actually in the day-to-day life. So we need cryptography in order to protect our data from hackers. So it also helps in securing communications over the internet. It keeps our passwords and personal details safe, and it also helps to verify the user identity and identify and prevents the unauthorized access to the system. So next slide we are going to see about the key objectives of the cryptography. So cryptography has four main security objectives, and these objectives ensures secure and trusted communications. So those three key objectives of cryptography are confidentiality, integrity, authentications and non-repudiation. So in our next video let us see about all these things in detailed manner. So next we are going to see about the types of cryptography, where there are three main types of cryptography, like symmetric key cryptography, asymmetric key cryptography and hash functions. Where symmetric key cryptography, it uses only one key for both the operations like encryptions and decryptions. So the main and well-known example of this symmetric key cryptography is the AES and DES algorithms. So data encryption standard and advanced encryption standard are the two important algorithms which prefers the symmetric key cryptography. Asymmetric key cryptography uses two keys, so public key and private key. The well-known example for this is RSA and ECC. For hash functions, it do not use any keys, but it converts the data into fixed size values. So example for this is the SHA 256, etc., etc. So let us see now how the cryptography works. So first we have a plain text, which is the original message, which will be in the readable form. Encryption converts the plain text into an unreadable form called ciphertext. So ciphertext is an encrypted message sent over the network. And again the decryption operations will happen. So the decryption converts the ciphertext back into the plain text using a key. So next let us see about the applications of cryptography. So though cryptography is a very important concepts in the day-to-day online theft, so we'll see about few applications of cryptography. Like cryptography is widely used in online banking transactions and mainly used to secure the messaging apps, because now and then we are using on the banking services we are using the apps, that is messaging apps. So in order to protect all the banking transactions in the apps, we use mainly the concept of cryptography. So it also protects the e-commerce payments and digital certificates also. It is also used to protect the data stored in the clouds and servers. Let us now see about the few advantages of cryptography. So few advantages of cryptography is it is mainly used to protect the data across multiple devices to secure the communications, and it builds trust in digital systems like banking and e-commerce. It prevents cyber attacks such as data theft and spoofing. It also supports non-repudiations using digital signatures. So equally we have the disadvantages also in the cryptography, where the cryptography requires high computational power. It is mainly used, key management is difficult in cryptography, and it cannot protect against users' mistakes, and strong encryptions can be misused by criminals too. By implementing the cryptographic systems automatically, so we have so many uses, so automatically it will be of very expensive. So this is the real-time uses of cryptography, where WhatsApp messages and messaging apps, cloud storage, online banking and payments, securing website, especially browsing, and ATM transactions. These pictorial representations clearly shows about the overview of cryptography, where we so far discussed in this video. So thank you. Hope you all understand about this.